Guys, I have a huge surprise just for you, so stay until the end and let's go for the backdrop day. Hi guys, welcome back on this YouTube channel. Very happy to see you today. Happy backdrop day. If you are new to this channel, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old, living in Spain. I'm French. A huge fan of luxury handbags. This is a huge passion. And this is why we've created with my partner Vincent our own website, bamluxurystore.com, where we sell you luxury handbags and accessories online. We ship worldwide, and all you see behind me is what's left. Everything else is sold out completely. So the first bag I want to show you is this beautiful one. This is the first time I have one for you to buy. So this is a W bag from Louis Vuitton. This is a tote. We have some kind of little grain leather in this part. Here it's very smooth leather, beautiful condition, like almost as new, I would say actually. Here we have grain leather and a velvet monogram. It's beautiful. The color is kind of a taupe one, beige taupe. Beautiful piece at Louis Vuitton. Under the bag is also very good condition. We can see it was used little times here because it starts to change of color, but very few. Okay, now we're gonna go for the inside of the bag. So inside of the bag opens with it's like, you know, very easy and fast to open and close. But inside the bag, you have multiple pockets. Inside is full nubuck. You have two zipper pockets here. You can attach a pouch if you want, and you have the availability, the possibility to add a strap to wear it like in crossbody or on the shoulder. My client says she had the option to buy the strap with the bag, but she decided not to go with it. It was not bought with the strap inside the box, so she decided not to take the strap because she doesn't use with the strap. But you can add a bandolier here to wear it as a crossbody. So this bag is as new, like the condition is gorgeous, and the price for this baby is 1,400 euro. I will add on the screen the US and UK price as well. Every link are in the description of this video if you are interested in any of the items I'm showing to you. You can pay in one time on the website, or you can pay in 2, 3 or 4 times without any fees. And I repeat, we ship worldwide, everywhere in the world. Okay, now second item I want to show you is this beautiful Chanel wallet. Beautiful. You're gonna be amazed. The quality of this one and the condition is gorgeous. On the outside it's almost very good. I have some little use on the corners, but it's very little. I'll try to show you better, but I don't know if you're gonna guys see it. Anyway, you have every photos on the website and the description. So it's silver hardware for it, and we're gonna open it. I know we have like the authenticity card for this beautiful baby. Inside is Bordeaux in leather, beautiful. We had the sticker here, otherwise such a good condition. You have some marks on the inside, but it's very few. I opened like the coin pocket. It was worn a couple of times, so you can see signs of wear, but otherwise nothing much. And the price for this one is 490 euro, which is such a low price for this item. I will try to have like the retail price in comparison. This way you can compare our price with retail price. Voila. Another baby that I received, and this is the first time I got one, is this beautiful Celine Triomphe Canva bag. This is a crossbody bag. As you can see, we had the strap, very good condition on the outside. The canvas is very good. Here you have a outside pocket with leather inside, beige leather. Otherwise, on the outside you have also like a huge leather parts. It has some small stains, but otherwise it was worn. It's a vintage Celine one, but otherwise it's still in very good condition. We had the strap. You can change the size of the strap also here. It's adjustable, so it's actually very nice. For me it fits perfectly, but you can, I'm small, I'm 160 centimeter. You can add 2 over to just, if you are like taller than me, you can adapt, of course. But yeah, we open here and we have such a practical bag. We have plenty of pockets. So we have the first one, inside is full leather. We have the second one here with another pocket. The only thing about this one is here, as you can see, we see that you have some marks. I think it was something like printed on the paper, and that printed on the leather. Unfortunately, it happens. But yeah, like color transfer, I would say. You have a zipper pocket here and another pocket there. It's actually like a very complete bag, very perfect for an everyday use. So yeah, here it is. So the price for this one is 360 euro. So this is actually such a very good condition bag. Then let's go back to Louis Vuitton with the box. We have this beautiful wallet in monogram Kanda. You have here a small envelope with a small paper note. You can write anything if you want to offer. So we have this wallet. On the outside, I would say this part is a little bit rubbed. You have some little damage, but it's very, very little. The press button works well, but is less, it's not new, I would say. Then on this part, you have a huge possibilities inside. You have lots of cards here. You can put, you have the pouch here and this that you can remove and put anything that you want inside. You have this coin pocket section that is a bit damaged here. And inside, I'm going to show you, I just removed my price tag. Sorry. So here we have some stain and damage inside, but it's very little. Otherwise, I'm going to show you the rest of it. We have the pocket here and major pocket there. So here is the damage I mentioned you. It's little, but still it exists. And the price for this one is 210 euro. I repeat, with the box. So it's actually very good. Now let's go back to a Celine item. This is the first time I think I show you like a Celine pouch. This is gorgeous. This one is half black color and half brown. Very, very nice. I love it. We have very good condition on the outside. It's gorgeous. Like I will try to show you more closer. We have the Celine leather sign here. You have some signs of wear on the leather parts here and there too. I'll try to show you. You have all the photos on the website. What I like about this one, about this pouch of Celine, is that they open like a doctor mallet, you know, like a doctor bag. So it's actually very fancy. Inside of it was used for makeup because it has like little stain and you see that it was makeup inside. We have two pockets inside here, but otherwise it's in very good condition. Like only damage is here on the leather kind of, but otherwise it's very cute and the price also is very cute. We have a price of 200 euro. Very nice. Then last item. Then I have this beautiful baby you've been all waiting for. So this is kind of a not recent one. The box was a bit damaged, guys, as you can see here and there, but otherwise it's still here. But yeah, it was a bit damaged during transport. So we have beautiful bag from Hermes. I'm going to show you what's inside. But we have original dust bag in orange, so it's not a recent one. And we are going to unbox it together. So we have the box and the dust bag for this beautiful airbag. So I'm just going to put the dust bag inside here. Okay, so we have the beautiful airbag with the strap. We have on the back the padlock, and here we have the keys. We have silver palladium hardware. Like the strap is just perfect to wear it like crossbody if you want, or not, like you choose. The pouch on the outside is very good, like the condition is great. It has no stain. It's such a good condition. I'm really impressed. You have some marks on the leather in the front and on the back because it's a like very smooth leather. Otherwise, we can open this. You have also a mark here. It's because when we open and close the bag all the time, it happens a lot on this kind of bags. Inside also is very good. I'm so excited. You just have like a little odor of metallic. Like on these bags, it's quite usual. So you have a metallic odor, but it's not that huge and it's not vintage odor, not at all. And with the bag, we also have this that comes with it. It's the other pouch, so you can change it. You can replace this part by this part and you can change as you want. Like you have both colors, so it's actually very nice because you have two bags in only one, so we love it. You have also this explication. It's instructions for assembly the bag, so it helps you like to know and to understand how you can change a bag. So it's also very important. So the price for this one is 1,350 euro, which is such a good price for this kind of bag. I really love it. Thank you so much again. Everything is available on the website Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will see you again this Sunday for another video where I'll talk mostly about luxury and other subjects. But thank you so much. Happy backdrop day. Enjoy, good shopping, and see you soon. Bisous!